Most people think wealth comes from big wins. A lucky investment. A huge salary. A viral business idea. But that's not how most Americans actually build wealth. They build it slowly. Quietly. Consistently. Predictably. And today, I'll show you the real step-by-step strategy ordinary Americans use to become financially strong over time. Stay until the end, because the final principle is the one almost nobody talks about, but it's the most. When people imagine wealthy individuals, they picture celebrities or millionaires. But most financially stable Americans are not flashy. They're teachers, engineers, office workers, small business owners. They don't build wealth by luck. They build it by systems. Real wealth isn't built quickly. It's built slowly, through habits repeated for years. Let's break down exactly how it works. Step 1, they automate everything. The first thing financially successful Americans do is remove decision-making. They automate savings, investments, bill payments, transfers. Why? Because decisions fail. Systems don't. When money moves automatically from paycheck to savings or investments, there's no temptation to spend it. Automation turns wealth building into a habit, not a choice. And habits create results over time. Step 2, they invest consistently, not perfectly. Most beginners think investing requires perfect timing. It doesn't. Wealth builders focus on consistency, not timing. They invest monthly, automatically, long term. They don't try to predict the market. They participate in it. Many Americans use strategies like dollar cost averaging, index fund investing, automatic contributions. The goal isn't fast gains. The goal is steady growth. Step 3, they let compounding do the work. Compounding is the most powerful wealth tool most people underestimate. It means your money earns returns. And those returns earn returns. Example. If you invest consistently for years, growth starts slow, then accelerates. Wealth builders understand one rule. Time matters more than amount. Someone investing $200 monthly for 20 years can outperform someone investing $500 monthly for only 5 years. That's the power of patience. Step 4, they protect money before they grow it. Most people focus only on earning more. Wealth builders focus on protecting what they already have. They maintain emergency funds, avoid high-interest debt, insure major risks, keep savings buffers. Why? Because financial setbacks destroy progress. Protecting money prevents setbacks. And preventing losses is just as important as making gains. Step 5, they avoid big financial mistakes. The fastest way to lose wealth isn't bad investing. It's bad decisions. Financially stable Americans avoid high-interest debt, impulsive investing, emotional trading, risky schemes. They don't chase trends. They don't gamble with money. They focus on stability. Wealth isn't built by dramatic wins. It's built by avoiding dramatic losses. Step 6, they use systems, not willpower. People who struggle financially rely on motivation. People who build wealth rely on systems. They use tools like automatic transfers, spending trackers, budgeting rules, alerts. These systems prevent overspending, enforce savings, track progress. The less willpower required, the more consistent results become. Consistency is what actually builds wealth. Step 7, they think in years, not months. This is the biggest mindset difference. Most people think short-term. Monthly bills, weekly spending, daily expenses. Wealth builders think long-term. 5 years? 10 years? 20 years? They ask. Will this decision help my future self? Long-term thinking changes short-term behavior. And behavior determines financial results. The real secret. Here's what most people misunderstand. Wealth isn't built by intelligence. It's built by consistency. You don't need perfect timing, high income, financial genius. You need patience, structure, repetition. Wealth grows slowly until suddenly it looks fast. What successful Americans do differently. People who build wealth consistently usually follow simple rules. They save automatically. They invest monthly. They avoid debt traps. They track spending. They stay patient. Not complicated. Just consistent. Financial success isn't about doing extreme things. It's about doing simple things for a long time. Final message. Most people think wealth is dramatic. It's not. It's quiet. It grows in the background while life goes on. Slow wealth isn't exciting. But it's powerful. Because the people who win financially aren't the fastest. They're the most consistent. If you want more simple money systems, AI financial tools, proven strategies Americans use to build wealth, subscribe to the Money System. Because wealth isn't built overnight. It's built by systems that work quietly for years.